This is the 2019 question 5b. A smooth sphere P of mass 2m collides with a smooth sphere Q of mass m. The velocity of P is 3 u in the I direction plus 4u in the j. So the j will be maintained, so we're going to have pi plus 4u in the j direction afterwards. For q, it's minus 4u in the I direction plus 3u in the j direction, and this will be qi plus 3u maintaining the j, and we're told E is 5/7. So find in terms of u the speed of each sphere after the collision. Let's do that. Applying the principle of conservation of momentum, we're going to get 2m by 3u, looking at the I direction, 2m by 3u plus m by minus 4u is equal to 2mp plus mq, dividing by m, and tidying it up, we're going to get 6u minus 4u, 2u equals 2p plus q. Newton's experimental law, V1 minus V2, so we'll always get P minus Q on top. We get U1 minus U2 on the bottom, which will be 3U minus 4U, so 3U plus 4U equals minus E minus 5/7. So we're going to get 7P minus 7Q equals minus 35U. So I need to multiply this one by 7. So I'm going to get 14u is equal to 14p plus 7q. Adding these two lines together, I'm going to get 21p equals minus 21u. So p is equal to minus u. And here in this equation we have q. Q is going to be equal to 2u minus 2p. Q is equal to 2u minus 2p, which is equal to 2u minus 2 by minus u. So we're going to get 4u for q. So if we just rewrite what's happening afterwards now, p is minus u, so therefore we get minus u in the I direction plus 4u in the j direction, and the magnitude of this is going to be the square root of u squared plus 4u to be squared, so that's going to be 16 and 1, 17u squared, which you could write as the square root of 17 times u. And for q, we get 4u in the I direction plus 3u in the j direction, which is going to be the square root of 25u squared. We all know that's going to be 5u. So there are the speeds afterwards. So now the angle between the directions of P and Q after the collision will be based on these vectors here. So let's say they collide at this point. If we look at P, it's going minus u plus 4u, so minus plus. So this is the angle in here, A, say, and minus u and plus 4u, it's going to be a 1 and a 4. Q is traveling 4 and 3, plus 4 plus 3, so out 4 up 3, just a sketch. So this direction of Q, so we have out 4 up 3, so the angle in between is the angle between them, C. So the inverse tan of 4 is equal to 75.96 degrees. The inverse tan of 3/4 is equal to that 36.86, which we see all the time. If we add these together, we're going to get 112.82. So that if we take away from 180, we're going to get 67.18 degrees for the angle between P and Q.